See, we have Alfie. I already removed the face. So when an idea hits my brain, I start working on it. And look at this. It's just a prototype. I did this yesterday, so I need to do some adjustments. But anyways, that's for another video. It's gonna be the base. It will be motorized. Well, we have mail time. Let's begin. Green truck. This one is for what is this? Neville. Yes, Neville, right here. Did someone put sticker on this or what? Blue light, a light blue truck, red truck. Mr. Bubbles boxcar. I think this one is for Ferdinand or Bash or Dash. And Victor looks decent. Next is Bell. This one comes with batteries and works good. Then comes Thomas. Let me turn off this thing. Then next is another I think this one is explosives car. Ooh, works. Snow clearing Henry. A little loud. We'll fix that later. Another car. Percy works, but the cogs, yes, I think we need to replace that cog. But other than that, Percy looks good. And comes this is the Henry's tender, so it's the complete model with the tender. And I don't think this is for Henry, because I remember seeing Henry's, or maybe the low was kind of covered with snow peckles. The rest are just tracks. What are these? So this is the brand Achiou. It comes with black right here and green and white. So check the link in the description. These are sun protection, cooling, arm sleeve, arm compression. I know it says for woman, but fits good. Thanks for Achiou. Yeah, they look really cool. Here is one gray band right here. Nice. Alright, let's continue. Don't forget, if interested, check the link in the description. This next box is Patchwork Hiro. It looks cool. So is this? No, this is not paper. This is printed on plastic. I think it's Plarail. There are no batteries on it, but it looks cool. We're gonna do some tests later. Next one here is Lorry1. This I know it says not working or for parts. We'll find out later what's going on with that one. And the Boko also for parts. That looks really terrible. Yeah, good for a restoration or fix or repair. Excelente. See, I started with an idea trying to put make what is it right here. Yeah, I started with a cardstock, making the base for Alfie. So I'm going to, it's gonna take time because I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm not at the same time. I'm gonna cut this part here around. That's the plan. I don't know if it's gonna work or not. And then put this piece here. Obviously it's going to be part of Alfie's body or wheelbase, and then it's gonna spin like this. But then I noticed this cardstock is not good, so I started working with this. This is not going to be that. It's just like a spacer. So this piece here is going to be right over here, right in the wood. The battery will be inside, so we can make this motorized work, and it's going to be pretty much like that. So we're trying to do it accurate, the close accurate to the series. They look so flat, like, you know, very crazy. But I'm going to give my shot, see if it looks good or no. Also, I noticed that I did this yesterday, so it took me like 3 hours and a half to make the design and build the cut the pieces and everything. So I guess it was a good progress, and we are going to actually make this part wider. So as you can see, it's pretty tight space, so it will look better. Yeah, that's the idea. So I make it a little wider, and it will be, see, it's very tight. So the wheels will be covered obviously by the rubber wheels, mimicking the rubber wheels. But that's good. We continue with what is this? Mail time. Yeah, this is eBay invoice receipt. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Hold on. Everything is well padded. I like when a seller takes their time and padded the right way all these products. A lot of bubble wrap, but thanks to that seller for, you know, including that a lot of bubble wrap. So we have a talking Gordon, and there is no batteries in it. We do some tests. What are these? I stopped buying like after Trackmaster 1. I barely bought some Trackmaster Revolutions, and neither push along or push Trackmaster, push along, whatever. I don't know what you call these things. Push along? Is it push along? This one looks nice. Rainbow Thomas. Let me make some room. And we have, I think they call it push along Trackmaster or something. Rebecca. Mini, what is this? I think it's Fling. Nice. What are in here? Let me check. So we have James. It's actually metal. The bottom part is plastic. Well, I bought the load because it wasn't an auction. Nobody bid on it. It was a good deal. I'm interested for that one. Gordon, talking Gordon. But these are like very shiny, like brand new, barely used. That's nice. And this one is take along or take and play Percy. There's a lot of wear on this one. And we have, yeah, I do have some Gordon Trackmaster Revolutions, but I don't have the tender for some. I do have some, but this is going to be nice. And I have, is it Brio Brio? Let me know in the comments. What does it say? Also, is generic? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And we have one green truck. Oh, there's more. Wait, there's more. I thought we were done. Trackmaster push along, whatever. Gordon's tender. And this one is for Emily. This one definitely plastic. And what is this? Is this even Thomas? Yes, I think it's Thomas. There is a little shark inside. Nice. I have no idea what this thing is, or where did it came from, or in which set. You can let us know in the comments, so the rest of us who watch these videos later will know which set it came. So there's another Thomas. These coupler they put front couplers are different. See, like I say, I stopped buying because I buy and sell on eBay, but I stopped buying years ago when they released the Trackmaster Revolution. I just bought few of them, and I lost interest on the this new model. So this one is Gordon's. Yeah, right there. Where's Emily? Right here. Nice. Okay, let me put some batteries. So we have talking Gordon.
Hello, I'm Gordon.
It's a little loud, but works. That's good. Let me check. Yeah, it might need some cleaning, obviously. Plarail or Patchwork Hiro. I think it takes like a C battery, but I'm putting a AA battery, or maybe it's just AA. It's very quiet actually. Can you hear it? That is nice. It's one speed. Yeah, I've seen some of those two-speed models, but not actually not this one. That's weird. We are used to Trackmaster and then test the Pla-rail. It's weird that you gotta, lift the tab. I mean, it's different, a different way. The screws right here. Nice model, actually. So we already know that this one is not working. There is some rust, and we need to do repair for this one. Bell, bell works. Maybe you just need a fresh battery. And snow cleaning Henry works, comes with batteries, a little noisy, some cleaning needed, no big deal. Look, comes with a rechargeable battery. Let's see if this thing works. Victor works, little noisy, sounds like it has some sort of grains, sand grains inside here, but at least works. We already know that it just needs to be replaced. We need to replace that cog, and that's it. How about Percy works? Comes with battery. Slow, obviously battery must be out of charge. So Neville, the problem with oh man, look at this. Yeah, I'm going to replace that with a spring-loaded terminal. So I'm going to leave the battery inside so I can show in the next videos coming soon how to fix this problem. Look at this. It does not have the battery terminal. We might try to put a spring-loaded battery terminal, or you can swap the chassis. Sometimes I think it's the bulgy one fits. This one is from Terrence. See, fits good. Terrence. So it might look like it's not fitting, but look, it's perfect, perfecto. Here is another model that look. Wow, yeah, we need to change this piece. I'm gonna leave it for the next video. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.